Hello everyone, it's Miss Crystal and today I'm going to be reading a poem called Rain. Remember, a poem is a type of writing that sometimes rhymes and always uses imagination. Rain. I like rain in August, steaming on the street. And I like rain in May, when the air is sweet. September rain is fine, helps the trees to grow. December I decline. Christmas we need snow. October is frightening on a rainy night. Thunder, boom, and lightning, but also a delight. And June rain can charm me, waiting for the sun. I like rain that drizzles, that pops and sizzles. I like rain that pours, gushes, rushes, roars. Thank you for listening to my rain story.